I know it's been a while that I did a sit down vlog with you, my loves, my Jaspips. Did you miss me? Here. Yeah. So this is it, my loves, my Jaspips. So let's do this. Ta-da! Hello, my loves, my Jaspips. Welcome back to my channel, and I just got back from a very fabulous Ray Kalahate fashion show event entitled Pista ng Linang. For those who doesn't know the word Linang, Linang is a Tagalog word for barrio. Yeah, so a barrio, so there's a town, there's a barrio, and Linang, and Fest in the barrio. So I love the collection, especially the first segment. Yeah. And don't worry, I'm gonna share it with you as well. And also stay tuned because I'll be sharing with you my Get Ready With Me as I know you love it. I love this, my Jaspips. What for this feature, a little sit down vlog. I know it's been a while that I did a sit down vlog with you, my loves, my Jaspips. Did you miss me? Me, I miss you, my dear. So we will unbox this Jar Beauty birthday gift. Last year I received a birthday gift when I'm still a Gold Tier member, and later last year things level up. I officially now a Platinum VIP member. And then we will compare it if the Platinum birthday gift is more fabulous than the gold one. So my love, this my Jaspips. Grab your coffee, tea, juice, or your snacks, because we will unbox this together. This is also my first time to unbox this. Okay, so without further ado, let's do this. I love this my Jaspips. So here, so this one, so yan. So we will not ruin the ribbon because I will video this for my reel in IG. Yeah, here. Yeah. So this is it, my love, is my Jaspips. So let's do this. Ta-da! Yeah. I received an email that I'm gonna receive this, but this is the first time I will see this in person. So this is an atomizer. Actually, I have two of these already. Miss Dior Eau de Parfum. And this one, this is the Blooming Bouquet. So, and also there is a dust bag. This one. Yeah, wala lang, ganito lang siya. So maganda sana if it's a pouch or whatever, no. So this is if you're a Platinum VIP member here in the Philippines, you're gonna receive this. Yeah. So as I've said a while ago, let's compare it with the gold one. So I know some of you already watched this. This is the birthday gift I received last year when I was still a Gold Tier member. Ta-da! Actually, mas gusto ko pa to. I prefer this. So this is this one, a nail polish in nude pink, and I haven't used this one, the nail file, because you know I'm kinda I want just to keep this. Sayang no? So yan. And nice, no? With this one, with the oblique logo of Dior. So yan. I haven't used that. But the stickers, I have this already. I used this already. Yan, this one. You already saw this when I unboxed this gold. Yeah. So what do you think, my love, is my Jaspips? So I just want to share with you some of the pouch. Hindi to pouches eh. It's like dust bag ba to? So yan. I have a small one here. So yan. Here. Then, Jo Rivera. Yan. Diba nice? Oh. Ang nice kaya niyan. So yan. And another, I have the blue one. This one also. So yan. Here. Yeah. Diba nice? And I love this. So I got this 2024. This one. So iba yung ano niya, yung string niya. Mas wider. And love it. Diba? So, and then I only got this. This is just a plain, yeah, pouch bag ba tawag dito, or dust bag. So yan. And for the atomizers, I'll show you my two existing atomizers. So this one, it was gifted to me by my brother Jesse and Arnie. So I think this is 2021. Yeah. This one. Yeah. So, eau de parfum to. So, empty. And then, I got last December. So, iba yung ano niya, yung packaging niya. Ang gusto ko talaga yung Mother's Day collection. I wasn't able to get hold of it. So, yan. As you can see, very different sila ng print, no? So, yan, iba. And, my birthday gift, same with the packaging of my other atomizer. So, yan. This is Blooming Bouquet. Can you say that? Yan. Nice. Nice naman. So, I have 3 na. So, you know, this is the old one, this is the new one. Yan. Can see. So, same, ano sila? Same. Same lang. Yan, same sila. As in, same na same lang. No? Same lang sila. O, old na kasi iba na yung color nito. This is more pink than this one. No? So, that's the birthday gift I received from Jor Beauty Philippines. And thank you so much to my store, Greenbelt, Jor Beauty, which is the flagship store of Jor Beauty Philippines. Yeah, for this gift. So, I wasn't able to get it last July because it haven't arrived yet. So, and then my beauty ambassador, Juvie, messaged me that it's already available. That's why I got it 2 days ago. Yeah. And I decided to show it with you. Yes. And hoping this year, the birthday gift will be a little different or closer to what other members in other countries are receiving. And for your information, Jor Beauty products are more expensive here in the Philippines, and also the tier requirement is higher. Yeah, would you believe that? So hopefully, Jor Beauty Global will consider it that it will be the same welcome gifts and birthday gifts. As a matter of fact, if you are a gold and platinum members, if you're a gold and platinum VIP members, you will also receive seasonal gifts, but it didn't happen. I don't know. In my case, I didn't receive any seasonal gifts. And even with my other friends, Jenny, Kim, she didn't also receive any seasonal gifts. Yeah, I don't know. But it says in the tier program that if you are a platinum VIP member, also yata the gold, you will be receiving the seasonal gifts. So if it's Mother's Day, you will have it, they will give you something, and if it's a holiday, yeah. Same with other countries, but here in the Philippines, no. So sad, no? But don't get me wrong, I super love Jor Beauty. As a matter of fact, Jor Beauty is my top makeup brands. Yeah. Yeah. Here, actually, my eyeshadow, medyo ano na, na ano na, it's already vanished. It's from Jor Beauty. My mascara, my blush stick. You will see that in my Get Ready With Me. But I use also Hermes. Actually, my nail polish is from Hermes, gifted to me by my gorgeous friend. Yeah, and then this one, this is the Rose Pop Limited Hermes. But before that, I applied first something. So you better stay tuned for my Get Ready With Me, no? And if there will if Jor Beauty Philippines will change their birthday gifts this year, starting this month, Joaquin will be receiving his first birthday gift as a platinum VIP member this next month. So I will also show you that. My love is my Chassis Pips. Yeah, don't worry. Hopefully, I'll be able to have a giveaway soon before the holiday season. And I've been busy for the past few months. I wasn't able to get something for you, my love is my Chassis Pips. Just a thankful token, especially for those who support my channel until now. Yes, who support my channel until now. And starting and for your info and start and also starting next week, Thursday, I'll be sharing with you parang a day in my life or a day in my week. So started with when I applied for the PSA mga documents, and also the Ferragamo event and other luxury brands. Especially my beach escapades. You know, I'm a beach girl. I really love ocean. Yeah, I really love it. Even though my skin doesn't love the sun and the sea, but I love it. And don't worry, I have the skincare with me to back me up, no? So yun, my beach escapades, and I will share with you one of the hidden gems I found in Matnog, Sorsogon. Yeah, it's a pink beach resort. It's not yet that commercialized, and in fact, I didn't show you my our room because it's not that nice, but I love what we've experienced there, and I'm pretty excited to share it with you. Same with my Boracay trip last July and my first kayak. It's a clear kayak picture taking. Yeah, it's so hard, my god. In reality, it's so hard to pose in a clear kayak. Yeah, so those were the videos, and those were the videos that you will be looking forward, no? Okay, so thank you so much again, my love is my Chassis Pips, for watching and for all your unwavering love and support to my channel. Until next time, my love is my Chassis Pips. Love you.